guys, it's me another year here. Today we're gonna be playing, level 7 and 8 inside of Monkey Deluxe. Yeah. Now let's get started. Let's check out all this new stuff. What the heck? On the computer. Yeah, let's just click on that. Server, just gonna do a public. Is it working now? Come on, why is this thing not working, bro? Wow! I'm really clicking on it. Even though I can't see my hands. Go, work, thing, work. Still not working. Work. Okay. And, alright, now I'm in the server. But now I can, I don't have the smooth server anymore. Alright, good. I was trying to swap that off. Alright, well now let's just, yeah, let's just, wait, gray. Alright. Black, come on. Black. Let's do level 7. Go. Let's do level 7, not level 8. Okay, whatever. Let's just go level 7. Yeah, and I don't level 11. Not you again. Okay. Wait. I want to go to a different server. Actually. Yeah, we already done all these. Yeah, I recorded them all. We got the video. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's go see this. What the heck? This place is so weird. Look at this. Hello. No. Okay, let's see what the heck. Oh yeah, my controller is broken too, so yeah, we're gonna have to continue with that. Alright, wait, oh crap. Wait. Oh crap. Okay, this is different. This is really different. Bro. This is really different. Oh crap! Again. No. Okay, well, I think we're good for now. Yeah. Let's continue on our journey. Oh crap! That is the new entity that everybody was talking about. Run. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god, bro, help! Crap, alright, let's go. Where are we gonna go? Are we gonna go this way?
Run.
Being
dominant.
Oh,
it's being dominant. Why would you go here?
Crap,
this is a dangerous paddock.
Our journey. This way?
I don't care. It's my friend Michael. No, it isn't.
Let's continue on our journey. Alright. Oh, this is a big area. I've never seen this area before. Let's just continue then so we can find that boulder. Supposedly that's where our thing is that we need. And yeah, let's just continue. Alright, keep going. Oh man. This is actually terrifying, bro. And also, if you want to be in any of my videos, then I would suppose of you to subscribe, because my goal is hitting 50 subscribers so we can finally do our first live stream. So yeah, just get up to 50 subscribers, please. I really need it. Alright, yeah, let's go this way. It's good. Yep. Oh crap. Oh crap. Okay, alright, we're good. We're fine. Nothing bad is gonna happen. Oh, Purple, please help me. Tell me where to go. Alright, Purple, please tell me where to go. Where are you going, bro? Wait, come back. Purple, wait. Help me. Help me. Purple! Stop choking me, bro. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. Continue. Wait, Purple, wait. Purple, where'd you go? Oh! Crap!
There's velociraptors here,
Okay. Oh, dumb. Very dumb. Oh crap. That was right there. Ain't no way that just happened, bro.
Testing, 1, 2, 3.
So at this part of the video, you won't be able to hear my voice for the rest of this video because, yeah, the video just didn't play my voice in this part of the video. I tried to fix it, but, yeah, it didn't go out so well. So, yeah.
Just what? Closure is this one. Oh my god. This is the Velociraptor paddock. Careful here. I'm Owen Grady. I trained every single Velociraptor.
Do you know how to
in this
escape
place
this level?
since they were babies. Coming. Oh my god, Blue and Charlie are coming. Blue and
Magenta are
Blue and Charlie are coming. Blue and Charlie are coming.
No, Magenta's coming now. Magenta's the only one that's coming.
I found the
I
gate.
want to call Magenta Stella. Well, you can't. You gotta. Yeah. Ah!
You guys go.
Okay, never mind. Nobody. Hey, if he brings some monsters in here, we're gonna press go home in any moment. I ain't going there.
Oh my god. People, this is a dangerous paddock. Get back here. This is the Tyrannosaurus paddock. I was never actually, I was inside this one. Just once though.
Okay.
I know the controls for this place.
Yes, I love this place.
I'm going. This is Tyrannosaurus paddock. Okay, that ain't working. Power's out, I guess. Power for this paddock is out. Follow me. I know my way around this place. I was in this twice. This was one of the, I was in this once, like once or twice. I know. They had a baby asexually. That's an asexually born birth to baby.
Who's that? I've never seen that one.
Guys, where are you?
No! What happened to money? No! Press home. Okay, no. Oh my god. Come to level 9. Let's go to level 9. Fuck. There's no level 9. Break.
Oh my god! That's their oldest baby. Yeah, that's the boogeyman. That's one of the workers that turned into. That's not a monster, but will try and kill you. He will save. He'll act like he's stabbing you to like. For the dinosaurs. No. For the dinosaurs to watch. Press home. He renamed the guy that has the like stake. That's the boogeyman. He changed his name after he got trapped in here after the park got closed.
Guys,
Those are Tyrannosaurus Rex. I killed you all. Children,
guys, help me. No, we're not. These are boogeymen. Guys, help me. They caged me up.
Get back!
Yo!
How'd you get caged up? Yo, they got you locked up for life, my brother.
Yo, come. Yo. I need your help. They got me caged up. Please. I need your help. They got me caged up. Oh. God, let's go to level 9. Come on. Let's go to level 9. Where's level 9 though? There is no level 9. I know.
Fuck.
We're just gonna keep running forever. Bro, whoever said these guys
I'll fuck your mom.
There's a secret word. There's
Do
a
it.
secret word. Whoa.
Hey, see, yeah, you ain't doing it.
Just play along with the role play. Please. Seen the movie?
No.
They got me caged up.
Well, you should watch it.
What I love. They got me caged up.
No, I
No, you're gonna fall down 3 times.
Dang it. I've heard bad things about